Hello guys, and welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove all downloads at once in Spotify. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for Spotify. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once updated, open the Spotify app. Now tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. After that, go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Data Saver and Offline. Here, you'll find the option called Remove All Downloads. Simply tap on it, confirm your choice, and all your downloaded music will be removed instantly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.